Hello everyone, welcome to another brand new video. So today video topics is how to make money trading forex. So let's check out full details how to make money trading forex. So what is forex trading? How does forex trading work? So in the forex market, you buy or sell currencies, placing a trade in the foreign exchange market is simple. The mechanisms of a trade are very similar to those found in other financial markets. So like the stock market, so if you have any experience in trading, you should be able to pick it up pretty quickly. So and if you don't, you will still be able to pick it up as long as you finish school, philosophy, psychology, psychology, our another expectation that the price will exchange more, especially that the currency you bought will current increase in value compared to the one you sold. So here is example. An exchange rate, it is simply the ratio of one currency valued against another currency. So for example, the USD oblique CHF exchange rate indicates how many US dollars can purchase one Swiss francs, or how many Swiss francs as you need to buy one US dollar. So how to read a forex quote? Currencies are always quoted in pairs such as GBP, oblique USD, or USD EGPY. So the reason they are quoted in pairs is that in every forex in exchange transaction, so you are simultaneously buying one currency and one selling another. How do you know which currency are buying and which are you are selling? So excellent questions. This is where the concepts of base and quotes currency is common. So base and quote currency, whenever you have an open position in forex trading, you are exchanging one currency for another. So currencies are quoted in relation to other currencies. Here is an example of a foreign exchange rate for the British pound versus the US dollar. So the first listed currency to the left of the slash is known as the base currency. In this example, the British pound. The base currency is the reference element for the exchange rate of the currency pair. It always has a value of 1. The second listed currency on the right is called the counter or quote currency. In this example the US dollar.